this video, we are going to see how to download Anaconda Navigator in Windows environment. So basically, Anaconda is an open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for data science that aim to simplify packing management and deployment. Package version in Anacondas are managed by the package management system Conda, which analyzes the current environment before executing an installation to avoid disrupting other frameworks and packages. The Anaconda distribution comes over with 250 packages automatically installed. Over 7,500 additional open source packages can be installed from PyPy as well as Conda package and virtual environment manager. It also includes a GUI, which is Anaconda Navigator, as a graphical alternative to the command line interface. Anaconda Navigator is included in Anaconda distribution and allows users to launch applications and manage Conda packages, environments, and channels without using command line commands. Navigator can be searched for packages, install them in environment, and run the packages and update them. So first of all, in order to install Anaconda Navigator, you have to go to your browser and type Anaconda Navigator download. Now you will see the Anaconda Navigator, so you have to click on this Anaconda Navigator in the first link itself. It comes with this particular page, so you have to click on the installation part. Here you can see about the Anaconda Navigator. So when you go to the installation part, it will tell you about the details or the system requirements as it is mentioned here, about the minimum requirements that Anaconda Navigator needs to be installed into your system. Now after this, what you can do is go to this installing Navigator and go to this Anaconda distribution. Now it redirects you to this page. Now in this page you can see the various versions available, so you have to click on installing on Windows. Now it redirects you to this page, and finally you have to click the Downloads Anaconda installer, and this lands to this page, and you can see the download button. Just click it and you can see the installation process has started. So let me just come back when the installation has finished. Now as you can see, our downloading has finished. Now we have to just click on this setup. Now you can see in this installer, you have to just select next. This is the agreement page. You have to select I agree, install for just me, all users.